Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have permanent lights. These are Asahom 1060 Pros. I put them on the outside of my house. They are so beautiful. They lit up my whole back balcony, and just in time for my big dinner party I was having. My friends had never had such beautiful lighting in a dinner party at my house ever. Check out all these different lighting scenarios I had just to get their opinions. They love them all. There are so many different colors, so many different ways to light, and for a party, I went a little action Jackson. And setting it to these colors was super easy. It was a big hit as we celebrated my friend's birthday. Out came the cake, we sang happy birthday, and those lights were twinkling all around us. I made this special birthday celebration in quite a special occasion with my permanent lights by Asahom. In all of its functions are on a very simple app on my phone. When I ordered the Asahom 1060 Pro, the box came right to my door. Now let me just show you what was in the box. I put it on my counter, I opened the box, and this is how it was packaged. They took great care so nothing would get damaged during shipping. I took everything out of the box. In fact, I'd gotten two because I had an extra big balcony and I wanted to string 2 sets of these lights together.
In each box, you get 100 foot of lights, which is 72 of the lights themselves. You can put 2 boxes together to have 200 feet of lights. That would be 2 times what you see on my counter right here. And with only one plug, you can plug it in to any 120 volt North American normal standard 3-pronged outlet. That will power them all up. It comes with an AC power adapter. That's the big block you see in the back with the green light on. And the front is the controls. Now, I run mine with an app, but you don't have to do that. You can just use the control. That's the piece with the clear light illuminating from it. Each string of lights comes with a 3-prong connector. That way, you can customize how many lights you have for the part of your house you want to light up. The connectors are sturdy, with even a cap that you screw on after, so it's waterproof. And here are what each of those lights look like. This is a close-up of them. Each of those lights is going to give you 90 lumens. And check this out. I turned them on right out of the package to test them. They all went on. A lumen means if you had 1 lumen, that's the light of 1 candle 12 inches back. It's a measurement of light. Asahom has given you 90 lumens per light, and each of those is dimmable, and inside there's a 5-channel LED chip that is wired to the brains of it, so you can control every single light the way you want for the effect that you want. The possibilities are endless. And each of the chips and each of the lights provide a dedicated adjustable color, whether it's cool white, warm white, or any color at all, with an adjustable color temperature from 2700K to 6500K. Too many possibilities for me to even show.
I downloaded the app on my phone.
It was very easy to connect. I wired mine up using Bluetooth. It found my precise location, and you also can enter it through a Wi-Fi connection. I did that too. When it comes up, you can get the latest update, which I did, and then it came up with directions of how to install. And you can see it's connected. It gives you a screen to customize every single one of those lights if you want to. I found that pretty marvelous. I'm just very happy to have it with the preset modes, which there are many. And just check this out, even for Halloween, there's many options to choose from. There are tons of festival applications for holidays. And for Christmas, the same thing, many different themes. So it's really fun to check these out and play with them once you get your app on your phone. And I could even see what was going on even just on my counter. See, you can see that behind the screen as I'm showing you the app, what those lights do, depending on which one of those festival things you're pressing. They have all the popular holidays and even fun things like Super Bowl. It's endless of all the presets you have on this, which is my favorite and easiest way to use it. And for my dinner party, I put on Party. That was what I wanted, to set the mood. On and on, my choices showed up on this app, down to the birthday. They also have what's called Natural. These are many different settings, and you might just want to pick a nice mood you have for your house for regular days of the year. And there's so many choices. The lumens go from low to warm to white, anything you like, all kinds of different choices on the other parts of the app that are all preset. Let me fast forward through all of these. It's truly endless. And these lights are RGB, WW, and CW LED beads, which is the most improved and cool white lighting I've ever seen. All in all, it has over 100 scene modes for you to choose from. 16 million colors. Besides the pretty colors you can pick and the different scenes for your parties, it also has real 10 music modes. And for the 10 real music modes, you can adjust the mic sensitivity to have your lights dance to the beat of your music, with great real-time lighting effects, with the change of your music rhythm.
And the installation was a breeze. Let me show you how that went down. And I put them up everywhere, put them all under the eaves and all around and underneath the edges of my handrails. Because as I was installing them, I really wanted to have maximum light effect. For lighting, more is better. And by installing them underneath the handrails, I was able to have a down lighting at waist height. And let me show you where this all hooked up. I wanted them to be permanently plugged into my garage. And so I ran the cord inside my garage by my laundry area. It's kind of a mess here. Please forgive me for this footage. But this is the chain of events. Plugged in back there, running all the way to the top, and I secured it up there so it looked neat. I punched a hole in the side of my garage wall. I just threaded it through. I have to do a little patching later, but I wanted them to be up securely forever. And then under the eaves it went to then start where they'd be dramatically beautiful under my roof and the eave all the way down a very long balcony.
I'll show you a little more details of how I did that. I just jumped up my step ladder. In my hand, I have a ruler. It's 4 inches. It comes with the kit. The ruler is handy because you're going to have a consistent 4 inches of where these lights are against the wall of your house. You want those 4 inches because you want the light beams far enough away that they can shine just where they need to for the maximum effect of all of those individual lights. I put my finger at the 4-inch mark, then I took the cleaning pads they give you and I wiped it because I have to adhere it on very clean surface. You don't want a lot of dust in there because that's not going to give you a good adhesion. Then there's a tab you pull from the light itself, and the light has all this sticky stuff. That's what the gray stuff is. And that's going to stick right on this flat area of paint on wood. It sticks just like that. Now it's up. Now for extra, you may want, you don't have to, but depending on what the surface is, you could also add these little tabs they give you. So I made a little hole with my awl. I took off the adhesive on the back of the tab and I put that around the electrical cord. It stuck right up there. And with my awl, I pre-started a hole. And then with the little screws they give you, you can put those in, which I did. And I took this little screwdriver, a little mini Phillips head screwdriver, and I twisted it in. It took me about 30 seconds to do this, but I believe in very secure lights because I want these lights to last many, many years. And I always do things a little over the top. This is just me. You don't have to do it. But because of this, I was able to go up and around my eaves and not have any extra stresses on those lights. So with this method, I was able to continue on and keep going with my 4 inches around the eaves, measuring everything. I love that little ruler. I'd clean off the wood. I'd stick on the light, and then I would follow up putting my little fastener that comes with the kit right on there. That's my method for a very permanent light by Asahom. I felt so happy with my successes on this. Anybody can do this. This is not hard at all. Yay. Done.
And I thought it was a really good design idea to run it down this part of the wall. And I fished it down underneath there, underneath my deck, and coming on up for the line to continue all the way around the corners. Dun, da, da, da.
Now, every single display I'm going to show you, I just clicked buttons on my app. I tried so many different settings out. It was so easy and fun. And I want you to see the finished effects So I'm going through many of the different settings so you can see what the final effect looks like on my house and the way I installed them. You can see the light coming down from the eaves right onto the walls. That's what gives you all that maximum effect. That's why it's 4 inches away from the top. Now this is about 150 feet of lights, and I'm going to dance through that app and show you. And on the left of the screen, you can see what I've put in. There's Halloween A, Halloween B. This is what they look like. So you can see the final effect. You could bring your kids out and have them help you on this. Now here's some Christmas designs, and we can also see the lights dancing from one end to the other. Every one of the settings has a little different twist on how it's going to present your lights. I had this rolling through my dinner party. The guests and I just couldn't believe all these lights. We had to take a look at them. We had a fun. So I'm going to keep rolling so you can see what the app is. On the bottom left, we have it written on the screen. That way you can check it out. So you're going to know, even before you put your lights on, maybe from this video, which one of the festivities you want to pick on the app for your Christmas or your other occasion you want to do. Now, the dance party was a favorite for my house that night. Look at all those colors. For me, that's the most festive, and I'll use that for every single party I have on my balcony. Here's a close-up of the dance party. Multicolored. And on the party mode, it goes back and forth, on and off. That's another choice you get. Asahom year-round permanent outdoor lights can be used for up to 50,000 hours. And 50,000 hours, I've done the math, is equal to 2,000 days, which is equal to about 5 years. And that would be if they were on 24 hours a day. Well, for me, I'm only going to have my lights on for 4 hours a night. But that will equal 34 years. How exciting! So after you install, you get your lights. That kind of length of time. And with every box of those lights, of 72 lights, it only uses 120 watts. That is a low electricity usage, so it's not going to rack up your electric bill. It's very economical to run these lights. And at full wattage, with the brightest of lights, it's 90 lumens. And each of these settings are dimmable as well. I have them on full blast so you can see them. Asahom has the best and newest upgraded smart app to provide these lights. You can even have them go on with Alexa and Google and voice operated. And with each of those 72 enhanced RGBCW LED lights, what that means is every spectrum of the rainbow. You have a total of 6,500 lumens of super bright lights to adjust the way you want on your house. Asahom has the brightest permanent lights on the market now. Their research and development has created all of this in the most comprehensive way to fit every mood you might possibly have. That's what I think. And of course, these are made for outdoors, so they're water resistant. They're built for outdoor harsh environments. They have anti-UV material, so in the bright sun, that anti-UV material will not break down and disintegrate over time. It's made to last, and they will operate in temperatures up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And my balcony can get hot, so that's a great feature. And they can operate in weather to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. So way below freezing to very, very hot. They will work. And in the biggest of rainstorms, as I'm spraying it down with my hose to give you a view of that.
It's so exciting to have permanent lights on my house for many years to come. Click the link below to get your Asahom 1060 Pro permanent lights. They're my latest fun for my parties and the beauty of my home. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is not just what I'm serving at the table, but it's a recipe for ambiance with beautiful permanent lights by Asahom. See you next time. I've got to get to planning my next dinner party. What am I going to make? If you like this video, here's some more over there, including a lot of my dinner party recipes. They're yummy.